Hello everyone. So a small clip for English speaking group. I could not post it yesterday. So today we are having a program. So you can see in my background, the image is visible. Hargar Shiksha written in that, and there is a laptop in which slides will be moving. This is Shrestha, and this is Natik who is having specs on his eye. Now Natik is helping Shrestha for making PPT presentation. So it's good that they will learn something. And there are a lot of students behind me. You can see they are so happy, smiling face. They are not in a tension mood. And this is a girl who is in a lot of tension. I don't know. Yes, this is Nandini, who looks in a lot of tension. She is mugging up, I think, so that her presentation can be best. And there are some students over this ladder also, and they will not be participating. I think they will be really, I think, feeling shy or odd because this is the first time. So I have told them to just check how we performed on the stage so that they can do it the next time. And these are the two guys. See, they are in class 6. One is in Arav and one is Achuta Anand. They have just arrived and they are also looking energetic. So I think that they will also perform in the best possible manner. Okay, so that's, and yes, some of them who could not visit today, they will be sharing their videos in the group only, okay, and they will not be able to present here. So whoever is not able to present here, they will be present from their own places. So okay, that's all for today. Then let us see how the program goes on. Bye bye. And I feel that you have already practiced it at your home because the topic was already discussed yesterday. So I am sure that you will be performing in the best possible manner you can. So now the persons who are sitting this side, I will start from Shrestha. He is the most lucky person in this group. And then the mics will be handed over according to this series only. Like he will be handing over to Arav, then Arav will be handing over to Niharika. In that way the sequence will go on, okay? So let us have a big clap for Shrestha. Okay, handing over the mic to him.
Hello everyone, I am Shrestha from class 6. First I would like to thank you my Manish sir because who has given me opportunity to say something on this topic. And my topic name is Importance of Blood Donation. Blood donation is given some to your blood to help save another lives. We donate must. We 18 to 16 years old and we weight is 110 pound in 50 kilogram and their health is good. And a blood group is classification by the blood ABO system. ABO system examples AB and A, AB and O. Blood bank is collect and store and distribute the blood and in medical and distribute the blood and in medical to transfusion when need. So thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Arav from class 6. So firstly I thank you to Manish sir who given me the opportunity to say something on importance of blood. So let's start. What is blood donation? Blood is very essential for life. A person need a lot of blood who covered from an accident of illness and who can donate blood. The age limit of donating blood is 18 to 52, and a person is in good health. And there are blood groups. The blood group names are A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive, A negative, B negative, AB negative, and O negative. Blood bank. Many people think that we go to blood bank and we give blood and we get money. For no, then when we go to blood bank, we give money and give blood. Many rumors are given about blood. Benefits of blood. Who can donate blood are less prone to the heart attack, and a free checkup of this person is completed. Blood donor. A person who any person that
blood donating, importance of blood donation. So let's start. So first is what is blood donation. So donating blood is called to different peoples. So this is called blood donation, and it helps them to health problems. Now my second slide is who can donate blood. So age limit is up to 18 years to 65 years only. No, below 18 they cannot provide their bloods to anyone, and above 65 they cannot provide their bloods to anyone. So now here is my fourth slide. Blood groups. So there are different blood groups of different peoples. A, B, AB, O, A negative, B negative, AB negative, and O negative.
इसके पहले जो वाला था उसमें थोड़ा सा वो वाला आया था ना तो वहाँ पे.
Now here is my next slide. Blood bank. So a place where blood is collected and stored before it is used. So it is called a blood bank. Now my next slide is rumors. So everyone says that who donate the blood, they can become sick or they can become unhealthy to donating the bloods. Now my next topic is benefits of donating the bloods. So there are many benefits to donate the bloods. Our bloods can refined and it can provide healthy to us, and it may improve our heart health also. Now my next topic is blood donor card. So it is a card given to the people after donating the blood. So my next topic is how can we increase blood donors. So encourage your friends and family members to do blood donations, because it is very much necessary to donate bloods. Now my next slide is minimum time between two donations. So the minimum time between two donations are 8 months or 3 months or 8 weeks. So my next topic is donate blood and save life. So donating blood, we can also save many people's life and we can save our health also. So we can donate the blood in large numbers. Thank you. So now I am handing over mic to Srishti.
Hello everyone, I am Srishti Sagar from class 9. So first of all, I would like to thank you Mani sir who has given me opportunity to say something on this topic. And my topic is importance of blood donation. So let's start. So first is what is blood donation? Blood donation is when you donate when people give their blood to someone and help to other. This is called blood donation. This blood donation is help in surgeries, diseases like leukemia, and donating blood is very safe. And second is who can donate blood. The age limit 18 and 60, between the age limit 18 years and 16 years can donate blood. Blood group. The next topic is blood group. There are four types of blood group. First is A, second is B, third is AB, and fourth is O. And the fifth is blood bank. The bank where all types all the blood the bank sorry the blood bank, the bank where all types of blood are available, and you can go blood bank and you buy some blood for us. Rumors. Many people say you can donating blood, you become die, you become not feeling better. So this is wrong. I'm going to share you about the benefits of blood donating. The benefits of blood donating is your mental health is healthy, and your liver and heart is also healthy, your weight is lost, and etc. Next topic is blood donor card. Blood donor card is a card when you donating your blood one time, the hospital gave you one card, and this is very useful for us. How can we increase blood donors? Encourage your family members and friends to donate regular bloods. And the next is minimum time between two donation. The minimum time between two donation is at least 3 months and 6 months. And the last topic is donate blood and save life. Donate blood and save life. You can donate blood and save many lives. That's all everyone. Thank you.
Hand over.
And now I will hand over the mic of Anushka B.
एस्केप दबाओ, एस्केप फिर से स्टार्टिंग से कर दो. हाँ.
Hello everyone, this is Anushka Vishwanath from class 10. So first of all, thank you to Mani sir who has given me this golden opportunity to say about the importance of blood donation. So first of all, blood is one of the most important fluid in our body. Blood is most important fluid in our body that helps us to smooth functions in our body. If we lose excessive amount of blood, we got deadly disease and ever died. Any healthy adult, both male and female, can donate blood, and the age requirement of blood donation is 18 years to 65 years. And the next topic is blood group. There are 4 types of blood group: A, B, AB and O. And ABO are the most important blood group in our body. Blood bank, a bank where many types of bloods are there. Rumors. Many people think that if we donate the blood, we will die and we got any diseases, but this is wrong. Benefits of the blood donation is, if we can donate blood, we will save anyone's life and mental health are good. Blood donor card. If we go to hospital and donate the blood, the hospital gave us the blood donor card. We can increase blood donors by encourage our family and friends to become regular blood donors. Minimum time between 2 donations at least 3 months. Lastly, donate blood and save life. Thank you. Now I will hand it over the mic to Arushi.
Hello everyone, this is Arushi Verma of class 9. So firstly I would like to say something of blood donation. So let's start. What is blood donation? The process in which we donate the blood from one person to another is known as the blood donation. Who can donate blood? Age limits on 18 years to 65 years. Blood groups. There are various types of groups: A, B, AB, O. Blood bank. Those bank which the all various types of the blood are found and is known as the blood bank. Rumors. Many people can say you can donate the blood and you become ill and unhealthy person. So this is wrong. Benefits of blood donation. If I donate the blood, so many benefits of my physicals of enter the body, and also my recover of the blood. Blood donor card. Those card which we donate the blood is given to a hospital is known as the blood donor card. How can increase the blood donors? We increase the blood donors in courage of the family members and also friends. Minimum times between 2 donations. If men are gave the blood, so main times minimum 3 months, and if she donate the bloods, so minimum time as 4 months. Donate blood and save lives. Yes, donate bloods, because many people are want to blood for an emergency and save life also. So thank you. I will handle the mic on to Natik.
Hello everyone, so today I am going to speak some lines on importance of blood donation, as you can see in the slide. And so blood donation is very important for us also, and in this I will also tell you benefits. So let's start. So the first question that arises in our mind is that what do we mean by blood donation? Blood donation is referred to donating of blood from donors into the blood streams of the recipients, means that donating of blood. After this, the main thing was that in which age you can give the blood to anyone. It is above 18 years old and 65 years old, to 65 years old. And you have to be healthy and when you are giving blood to anyone. You have to give blood of matching, such as if my blood group is O positive, then I have to take O positive blood group. And there are 4 main types of blood groups, such as A, B, B and O. These are the main types of blood. In this, what is blood bank? In this, when we go, we have to, if my blood is not matching in my village, then I will go to the blood bank and I will give my blood and take, I will give another blood and take that blood that I have required. Then in this, some rumors related to blood donation. Many rumors are related to blood donation are first that everyone says that if you can give blood, you will become tired and you will not feel well. But this is not a real thing that we can become tired or sick. It is a very blood donation is for very good thing. Some benefits donating bloods are it do our full body checkup, it purifies our blood, and it can be beneficial for us also. It stop your risk of heart attack, lower chances of fail of kidney, and then the blood donor card. It is a card in which when you give blood without any reason, then you can take a card. In card that you will it will quality of when you have need of blood, then you can take 1 unit of blood from blood bank, I think, by giving this card. And in one card there is a 1 unit of blood. If you have many cards, then the number of cards is equal to number of units. In this, how can we increase the blood donors? In today's era, the people are very smart. You can also use the social media to share the views on blood donation and some points also, because it is very beneficial for us, as I said you can share on YouTube also, or Facebook also, Instagram also. After this, what time duration between 2 donations? Means how many gaps? Then it is of 3 months, and in other countries there are of other rules. So that's all. Thank you. You should donate blood in a regular place. After completing 3 months, you can give blood to anyone. So that's all. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day. Now I am handing over mic to Achyuta.
So hello everyone, I am Achyutanand of class 6, and today I am going to tell about you. The topic is importance of blood donation. So first slide is what is blood donation? Blood donation is the gift of life who person have need the blood. And second question is who can donate the blood? In India, we will donate the blood. Age is 16 to 18 to 65 years. And third question is blood groups. There are 4 types of blood groups: A, B, AB, and O plus. My blood group is O positive. And then blood bank. The blood bank is a place where blood has collected and give who persons who needs the blood in the emergency time. And benefits of blood donation. The benefits of blood donation is people with many different disease or who can need blood to survive. And blood donor card, who will donate in the first time of blood, they will give the blood donor card. And how we can increase blood donors. We can increase blood donors by the process of encourage our family, friends and neighbors. And last question is donate blood and save lives. We can donate blood to some people in emergencies and save her life. And then bye everyone. Thank you. I will give to mic to Tariq.
Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Sariq Hassan from class 7. I am telling about blood donation. My question is blood donation. It is related if transfusion as life starting and save life transfusion as well as from
one person to other.
one person to another person. My next question is
press करो, press करो.
blood donate. Who can blood donate? Age limit should be 18 to 65 years. Blood pressure normal limit for age limit. Pulse and temperature should normal. There are 8 types of blood group: A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive. A negative, B negative, AB negative, O negative. O can give to anyone. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Aniket Kumar from class 5. So today's topic is importance of blood donation.
Blood donation is like giving someone's new life. We can donate blood to anyone. There are 8 types of blood donation: A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive, A negative, B negative, AB negative, O negative. Thank you. I am handing over the mic to Anand.
Class 5.
स्लाइड करो, स्लाइड आगे करो, श्रेष्ठ तुम कर दो.
What is blood donation? Blood donation of blood from
one person
one person to another person, which can be
ठीक है, आगे करो, स्लाइड आगे करो. Who can donate blood?
blood groups. There are 4 types of blood groups: A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive. A negative, B negative, AB negative, or O negative.
ब्लड बैंक क्या होता है? जहाँ ब्लड मिलता है बस, है ना? Where we can get blood.
There we can get blood is easily. Thank you.
आगे करो, आगे करो, आगे करो. ह्यूमर मतलब क्या होता है? अफवाह. ह्यूमर में या फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट, है ना? टेलिंग लाइज, है ना? और आगे करो, स्लाइड आगे करो. बेनिफिट मतलब
बेनिफिट
क्या फायदा है?
मतलब
बाय डोनेटिंग ब्लड क्या फायदा होता है? डोनर कार्ड मिलता है ना?
बी चेकअप फ्री एंड
फ्री चेकअप होता है, हाँ. एंड वी गेट ब्लड डोनर कार्ड.
गेट ब्लड डोनेटेड कार्ड.
हाँ, ठीक है, आगे. और आगे जाओ, तो बोल दिया ना. हाउ कैन वी इंक्रीज ब्लड डोनर? मतलब ज़्यादा लोगों से हम लोग कैसे ब्लड डोनेट कर सकते हैं? बाय मेकिंग देम मोटिवेट करना.
मोटिवेट पीपल्स.
अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम.
अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम. 4 हैज माई.
ठीक है, आगे करो, और आगे करो, स्लाइड आगे करो. और कुछ है? मिनिमम टाइम कितना होना चाहिए?
3 months and 6 months.
So I request you all to donate blood and
I request to donate blood and save life. Thank you.
इसको दो, भाई को दो.
I know that I got Amit. Class 5.
श्रेष्ठ स्लाइड कर देना.
What is blood donation? Donation of blood from one person to another person is known as blood donation. A person who donates blood saves lives.
इसका एज कितना होना चाहिए? एज बताओ, एज. Who can donate blood?
16 to 65.
ठीक है.
18 to 60. There are 8 mainly blood groups: A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive, A negative, B negative, AB negative, O negative. where we get blood easily. This is called blood bank.
Rumors means lies, है ना, झूठ बोलना. बेनिफिट क्या है ब्लड देने का?
Free checkup and
फ्री चेकअप.
get a donor card.
हाँ, गुड. और आगे बोल दिया ना, तो और आगे करो.
Motivate people to donate blood.
पहले जो स्लाइड में लिखा है वही बोला करो. स्लाइड में क्या लिखा हुआ है? बैक करो, बैक करो, बैक. पहले क्या था? हाँ, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है, पढ़ो.
How can we increase blood donors?
हाँ, तो पहले उसको बोलना है, थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड होगा ना, उसके बाद आगे.
Minimum time between two donations. 3 months
3 months.
to 6 months.
ओके, आगे.
Donate bloods. Save lives. Thank you.
So, Mike, next one है.
Eye and hand hurts.
नहीं, वो सोनाली को.
Hello everyone, good afternoon and I hope you all doing well. So today I stand here before you talk a subject of most my heart related and curious to our society also, the importance of blood donation. So if you hear this word blood donation, in your mind very much question what is blood donation, why it is important, what is blood and lots of questions. So I try today to clear your all doubts. So let's start. First in your mind the question is, why is blood donation important? So the blood donation is not just a act of a kindness, it is a life-saving gift that everyone gives to someone. In simple fact, we can also say that the blood, if you donate a blood, you just don't donate a blood, you just give someone new life. And now is humorous. So in this picture you also see there is a blood donation camp and doctors also available and so many people come here to donate blood. But you also see some people is say awareness about the blood donations. He and she make a rumors to about the blood donation. Don't donate blood. If you donate blood, you just die. You have many diseases. So don't focus on this rumors and believe in just scientific and also education. And here the blood groups, there are mainly 4 blood groups: A, B, AB and O. Blood bank. In simple word we can say where we get easily any blood groups. This is called a blood bank. The blood donation camp. Benefits. What are benefits if you donate a blood? So there are so many benefits if we donate a blood. First, we have a far away from heart attack, cancer, and we have also all body free checkup. We have no any cost. And second, in our body create a new cell which is very helps to our strong and sharper. And next we get a healthy also. Then the blood donor card. If you go to any hospital and donate a blood for someone, then you get a blood donor card which help you very much. Suppose in your family member any person get a surgery or injury and who needs a blood, you just when you have a blood donor card, you just get a very easily any blood group. Next, how do we increase people to donate blood? So we just motivate people and we also say that there are so many benefits to donate blood, so and also motivate. Next, in how minimum time we donate two donations. So the minimum time is 3 months
And thank you. I hope you understand my thoughts. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Nandi Gupta. I am from class 8. So now you sing I say no. Today is public speaking program 18 May 2024 and this topic is importance of blood. So I will say about blood importance. So first of all is what is blood donation? Blood donation is a when you blood donate a other person is known as blood donation. So next is who can donate blood. So everyone has not donate blood because their age maintained. So first of all is 18 years to 65 years donate a blood. So blood have a mainly 4 types: A positive, B positive, AB positive and O positive, and their opposite is negative. A negative, B negative, AB negative and O negative. So next is blood banking. The storage of blood is called blood banking, whereas got every type of blood. So next is rumors. Many people are habit of rumors. So bad things. So that is not a rumors. They blood donation. You can win blood donation. You can got a benefit. So now is benefit. What is benefit? So first of all you can check up a free, not of a cost, and next is your blood are purified and unpurified. So how can we increase the blood donors? And you can motivate another person, you can donate a blood, so we can increase the blood donors. Next is minimum time between two donation. So now you are donate every weekly, every monthly. They are have minimum time is 3 months. You have 3 months after donate a blood. Next is donate blood and save lives. So when you donate a blood, you can save a many person life. So thank you. So I will hand over mic on Aradhya.
Hello everyone, this is Aradhya from class 6. There is a public speaking program, date 18 May 2024. Topic is importance of blood donation. Now first, what is blood donation? Blood donation is a process of collecting blood from one person to another. Those person age limit is 18 to 65 years. The donors is not cannot be less than 45 kilograms. There are many types of blood groups: A, B, AB and O. Next is blood bank. Blood bank is a center where blood gathered as a result of blood donation is stored and preserved for later use in blood transfusion. Now next is rumors. Many people say that when they donate blood, they get died. Benefits of blood donation. By donating blood, lower heart diseases, lower risk of heart diseases. Blood donor card is a document that identifies you as a donor. How can we increase blood donors? Encourage your friends and family to become regular blood donors. Minimum time between two donations are 3 months. Donate blood and save life. Thank you. And now I hand over the mic to Kehkasha.
This section has been of grade 8. And I am here to say something about the importance of blood donation. So let's start. Now the first question arises in our mind, what is blood donation? Blood donation means donating blood to a helpful person who are needed for their health checkups. Now who can donate their blood? The age limit is 18 to 60, they can only donate their blood. Now there are 4 types of blood groups, A, B, AB and O. Blood bank is a center where the bloods are available for the person who are needed. Rumors. Some people think that after donating the blood, we will get sick or we lose our life. Benefits is that our health becoming good and we get to know our diseases in free of cost. Blood donor card means if a person donates their blood one time, they get a blood donor card from the doctor side. It means if there will be emergency related to the blood, they can give their blood easily and in minimum time. How can we increase blood donors? By explaining the benefits of the blood donation and by motivating for the donation. The minimum time between 2 donations is within the 3 months. Now, donate blood and saves life. Now, thank you for that's all from my side. Now, I am handing the mic to Dilkash. Dilkash of Standard 10. So I tell some importance of blood donations. We all know very well blood is very essential for our life as well as our body. What is the blood donations? Blood donations means those people have need the blood who will give. I will give you blood.
who can blood donate. Age limitations of 18 to 65 years. So many blood groups are present, like A positive, B positive, AB positive. Blood bank. Blood bank means there are the different types of bloods are present here. Rumors. Some people say that blood donations. If you donate the blood, they will use die as well as seek. Benefits of blood. If you donate the blood, you get a free checkup. Blood donor card. Blood donor card means if you blood donor once a time, if get a card. How can we increase blood donations? Use templates, social medias, as well as newspapers. Minimum time between two donations, 6 months as well as 6 years. 6 months. Yes, donate bloods and save life. Thank you. I will handing on mic Sonali.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sonali Kumari. I am from Standard 10. Now I am going to start the topic importance of blood donation. Let's start the topic. The first topic is what is blood donation. The blood donation, to donate the blood to one person to another person, is called blood donation. The next topic is who can donate the blood. The age limit of blood donation is 18 to 60 or 65 years, and male and female both can donate the blood. Now the next topic is blood group. Mainly 4 types of blood groups are there: A, B, AB and O. The next topic is blood bank, where all the blood can collect, and when we need, we can take the blood from blood banks. The next topic is rumors, where many persons tell that you can donate the blood, you can get disease, you can be sick, you can be die. They all are wrong words. The next is benefits of blood donation. When we donate the blood, first of all, we help any other person who has accident, who has sick, who need blood, and in our body, what is disease and whatever all our things are there, easily checked. The next topic is blood donor card. When we donate card when we donate blood 1 or 2 times, we get blood donor card from the hospital. How can we increase blood donor? By increasing our family members, friends or relatives, and pamphlets, and telling them to donate blood and save life. minimum times between two donors. Minimum times will be 6 months or 4 months, 3 months. Donations, blood, donate blood and save lives. खून दान करें और जीवन बचाएं. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day. Now I am handovering the mic to Suhani.
Good evening everyone. I am Afsara Naz of grade 6. I am here to say something about importance of blood donation. So let's start. So the first question is what is blood donation? Blood donation means a healthy person gives the blood or blood donation. Next is who can donate the blood. Between the age of 18 to 60, they can donate their blood. Blood groups. There are some blood groups are A positive, B positive, A B positive, A negative, B negative, or A positive, O negative. Blood bank, the place where all bloods are collected. Rumors of blood donation. Some people say that we donate the blood, we shall be dead in a few minutes, but this is wrong. Blood donor card. Blood donor card is a card. When we donate the blood, a hospital gives the card which help us in difficult times. Minimum time between two donations is 6 months or 3 months. Donate their blood and save their life. Now I hand over the mic to Aradhya Di.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is my public speaking program. My topic is importance of blood donate. My topic is blood donation. Blood donation. A drop of blood donation. A drop of blood donation. It's a very just say blood is help to another person. Blood donation, it's one person to another person helpful to emergency time. My next topic is who can donate blood. Blood donate has another person to helpful and very 18 to 16 years, and the person should be help be another person. My next topic is blood group. There are 8 blood groups: A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive, A negative, B negative, AB negative, and O negative. Blood bank. All collection of blood bank is the store of all collection blood and helpful for hospital. And this is a card of bullet size. Rumors. Very people are rumors, then very we you sick and weak feel then bad. Blood donor card. Blood donor card is a wallet size card and the benefit of hospitals in emergency time. Minimum time of between two donation. Two donation minimum time of 3 months to 6 months. Thank you. Hand over to Shreya.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya from class 6 and first I would like to thank you Manish sir to giving me a opportunity to say something on this topic. So let's start. My first topic is what is blood donation. A blood donation is a process by donating a blood from one person to another. And my second topic is who can donate blood. Blood donor is limited between 18 to 30 years, 18 to 60 years. There are mainly 4 types of blood groups: A, B, AB, O. Blood bank. A blood bank is placed where blood samples take. Rumors. Many people can say they can become sick by donating blood. Benefits. You can save life of anyone. By donating blood. Blood donor card. Blood donor card is given to donating a blood. We can hang a lot of programs. Minimum time between two donations are 3 months or 6 months. Donate blood and save life. We can donate blood and save life of anyone. That's all everyone. Thank you. Kumari. I read in grade 7. Today I am going to tell you about importance of blood donation. So let's start. First is what is blood donation? Blood donation means we can donate the blood, person can be healthy. Second is who can donate blood. If a person age is 18 to 65, they can donate the blood. There are mainly 4 types of blood: A, B, AB and O. Now blood bank. Blood bank. When we need a blood bank is a place where we can get the blood easily when we need. Rumors. It means when we donate the blood, some people say that you will die, you will kill. It is wrong. Benefits of blood donation. We can check the things easily and blood are the facts, save life. Blood donor card. When we donate the blood, hospital gives the card. How can we increase blood donors? We can increase blood donors by enjoying the party, spending the time with family. Minimum time between 2 donors are 3 months or 6 months. Donate blood and save lives. Give the blood to another person and save their life. That's all for today. Thank you. And I am giving the hand over the mic to Piley. Hello everyone, my name is Payal Kumari. I read in grade 8. Today my topic is importance of blood donation. So, what is blood donation? Blood donation means the process of donating blood from one person to another is called the blood donation. Who can donate blood? Male and female both donate blood if him or her age is 18 to 16 or 16. Then they can donate blood. Now blood group. There are 4 types of blood: A positive, B positive, AB and O positive. Blood bank. Blood bank means the bank where all the types of blood are available. Benefits of blood. when we donate a blood, then we get a free checkup and also save someone's life. Blood donor card. Blood donor card is a card. Blood donor is a card where in the hospital we get card after donating blood. How can we increase blood donors? We can increase blood donors by motivating friends, parents, families and relatives. Minimum time between two donation. The minimum time is 3 months. Donate blood and save life. When we donate blood, then we can save the another life. That's all. Thank you. Now I am handing over Ankita Di.
From standard 9. Today I am going to say something on blood donation. So first, what is blood donation? The process of donating blood to someone is known as blood donation. Second, who can donate blood? The person who has age between 18 and 65 years can donate blood. Blood group. There are many types of blood group: A, B, AB and O. Blood bank, the place where blood are collected and stored, is known as blood bank. Rumors. Many people say that after donating blood we can feel sick and become tired. Benefits of donating blood are: our health is well and our heart and liver are good. Blood donor card. After donating blood, the hospital gives us a card that is known as the blood donor card. To increase the blood donor, we have to encourage our family and friends to become regular donors. Donate blood and save lives. We can donate blood and save lives of many people. Thank you. Now I will handing out to Sonali.
Hello everyone, I am Sonali Tripathi from Standard 9. Today I will discuss about the importance of blood donation. So my first point on importance of blood donation is, what is blood donation and what do we understand by blood donation? So blood donation means giving blood or gifting a new life to the other people. It is a fact that a healthy person should donate the blood to save the life of someone's life. And my other point on importance of blood donation is, who can donate the blood? you should donate the blood when you are when you over the age of 18 years, and also in 65 years, and you also um, you also have more than 45 years of 45 kgs of weight. There are four main types of blood groups: A, B, AB, and O. Each groups can be either positive or negative. In total there are 8 type of blood groups. So my next point on blood importance of blood donation is blood bank. So blood donation is a blood bank is a part of an hospital laboratory where we are store the blood and also do the proper testing of blood to avoid the risk of transfusion related problems. And rumors of blood donation. If you donate the blood, you become sick, or if someone donate the blood, they get an infection, or someone other benefits of blood donation. So it is very good for human heart, and also it reduces the chances of cancer, and also it boosts the red blood cells production, and free health checkup, and it also warns the automatically serious illness. And blood donor card. So it is a document and that identifies the person as a blood donor, and it is available in physical and digital form. So how can we increase blood donors? So we encourage our parents or our friends to become a regular blood donors, and also aware the people to become a blood donor, and also participate in blood donors day events. So minimum time between two donations. So every adults can donate the blood, both males and female. Males can donate the blood once in 3 months, and females can once in 4 months. So donate blood and save lives. When you donate blood, you save the lives of people. It is very good for you and them. So thank you so much. Handing over the mic to the Chandni Tripathi.
Hello everyone, I am Chandni Tripathi from Standard 9. Today I am standing here to express my views about importance of blood donation. So first of all, what is blood donation? The donation of blood from one people to another, which is used to blood transfusion. And the second topic is who can donate blood. We all can donate blood at the age of approx 18 years to 52 years. And who has any problem about his health, they cannot donate blood. And the third topic is blood group. We all have different blood groups. There are mainly 4 blood groups: A, B, and O. And next is blood bank. Blood bank is a place where the blood is kept, each type of blood. So we have any emergency, we can take it from blood bank.
My name is Devraj. I read from class 3. What is blood donation? The process in which blood transfer one people to another people. Who can donate blood? The age limit 18 years to 16 years, 60 years. Blood groups: A positive, B positive, AB positive, and O positive. Blood bank: those banks which are blood is kept is known as blood bank. If you donate the blood, you are die. Benefits: we transfer liver and heart are healthy. Blood donor card. Those cards which were gave hospital to the transfer of blood is known as blood donor card. How can we increase blood donors? Increase of family members and friends. 3 months and 6 Donate blood, save lives. Thank you.
और कोई बड़ा बच्चा? एनीवन जो दिखने में बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा हो? कोई नहीं बचा।
सर आप।
हाँ मैं तो बोल चुका हूँ पहले डमी में. एनीवन वॉलंटियर कोई है तो हाथ उठा सकता है, ट्राई तो कर ही सकते हो, है ना? नो वन. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से कोई एक्सक्यूज नहीं रहेगा, ठीक है? सोच लो, इतना छोटा बच्चा ही बोल चुका है ना? तुम लोगों को प्रैक्टिस करना है. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से यू विल हैव योर ओन प्रेजेंटेशन. मैं प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं बनाऊंगा, ठीक है? पावर पॉइंट वगैरह खुद ही सीखना है, खुद ही स्लाइड्स बनाना है. कोई कह रहा था कि इसमें ये कैसे है वो कैसे है, तो वो आप लोग खुद ही प्रैक्टिस करो, है ना? सो यही आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल है. आजकल जितने भी प्रेजेंटेशन होते हैं वो पीपीटी के थ्रू ही होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू ट्राई अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, है ना? रिकॉर्डिंग सारा हो गया जितने लोग किया ना प्रोग्राम, ठीक है? ओके. सो कैन वी हैव अ शॉर्ट क्विज ब्लड डोनेशन के ऊपर?
यस सर.
है ना? सो व्हाट इज द मिनिमम एज रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर ब्लड डोनेशन?
Sir, 18 to 65.
Okay, good. And who can an unhealthy person donate the blood if he is having fever today, but he is healthy, he is not having any disease, he is still having fever, that's all?
No, sir.
Okay, good. And what is the maximum? Means some are saying that it should be 3 months and some are telling that it should be 6 months. Then why this anomaly is there? Why someone is telling 3 months, someone is telling 6 months, and someone is telling both 3 months as well as 6 months? Can you tell?
Because recovery of blood.
No. Anyone who knows the answer?
Men for 3 months and women for 6 months.
Okay, that is a nice answer. And one more thing is there that according to the places also the rules change. जैसे यहाँ आपको बोलेगा कि आपका 18 ईयर्स है, अमेरिका में जाओगे हो सकता है वहाँ 16 ईयर्स बोले. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द प्लेस वेयर यू आर. तो हर एक स्टेट का, हर एक कंट्री का भी रूल्स अलग अलग होते हैं. सो दैट इज नॉट अ बिग थिंग. ओके. And now one thing which is in your hand is you can go to your houses and ask your own parents that what is your blood group. You should have a diary, you should have a data what others blood group are. If suppose my father's blood group is AB positive, it is also a rare blood group. So I should know that who else in the village is having that group. So whenever I require the blood, I can soon contact him and take him with me to Patna also. But if I am going just to Patna and asking anyone to donate the blood, they will not be providing it. If you are going to blood banks, they may also have many excuses for that. क्योंकि ब्लड बैंक्स में भी गारंटीड नहीं है कि वो आपको सच ही बोलेगा. हो सकता है उसके ही किसी रिलेशन में किसी को और रिक्वायरमेंट हो तो वो बोलेगा हमारे पास ये ब्लड नहीं है, है ना? सो यू शुड बी रेडी फॉर ऑल दैट. और हम लोग का बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है, अगर हम लोग चाहें तो कम से कम 100 या 150 का लिस्ट हम लोग खुद ही बना सकते हैं. इजंट इट? सो अब हम छोटा सा स्नैक्स पार्टी रखेंगे, है ना? तो वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे बच्चे इनको मैंने काम दिया था वो लोग लेके आए, तो देखते हैं कैसा. तो हम बाहर ही जाके स्नैक्स पार्टी करेंगे, है ना, ताकि दूसरे लोगों को पता लगे कि हम लोग समोसा खा रहे हैं, है ना? ओके. तो यशराज प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. आ जाओ जल्दी से, क्लैपिंग कर लो. कम ऑन, जल्दी आ जाओ, जल्दी आ जाओ. यश आ जाओ. हाँ चप्पल खोल गया और मैं उसका हेल्प करूंगा. आ जाओ यश. अरे मैं हेल्प करूंगा. ओके. नाउ आई हैंड ओवर माइक टू यशराज.
Hello everyone. My name is Yasraj in class 5A. Today my topic is blood donation. So will it start? What is blood donation? The process in which the blood are transferred one person to another person is called blood donation. Who can donate blood? Its limit 18 years, 65 years. Blood group is mainly for ABO. Blood bank. Those bank blood is escaped
left is known as blood bank. Rumors. Million the transfer of the blood from another person. It is very harmful. It is wrong. Benefits. The benefits of blood donation. Our liver and heart is healthy. etc. Blood donor card. Those card which is blood transfer in the hospital is known as blood card. How can we increase blood donation? Encourage of family members and relatives, etc. Minimum time between two blood donation. It is 3 months and 6 months. Donate blood and save life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Kumari. Today I am going to tell you about the importance of blood donation. So our first question is, what is blood donation? When a person donated his blood for the use of medical purpose, then it is called blood donation. This blood can save life of many people which they need due to injury, disease or surgery, and the process of blood donation is 100% safe. For donation of blood, your age must be between 18 and 65 years of age. You must be in good health and your weight must be above 45 kg. Blood group is very essential for blood donation because it can lead serious reactions when a person gets a blood transfusion. There are many types of blood groups like A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive, A negative, B negative, AB negative and O negative. Blood bank used to process, store and distribute blood for transfusion and medical need. It is very important for saving lives of people. There are many rumors related to blood donation. The first rumor is blood donation is painful, and the second rumor is blood donation causes weakness, and the third is you can get infected from blood donation. You should know that all these rumors are fake and blood donation is safe. The benefits of blood donation are saving lives, increasing blood cells, etc. Blood donor card is a card that you get when you donated your blood. It is very helpful. If you have a blood donor card, you can get blood easily and affordably at the time of emergency. We can increase blood donors with the help of awareness, public campaigns and social media by telling people about the importance of blood donation and the fake rumors of blood donation. If you donated blood recently and you are men, you have to wait at least for 56 days. And if you are woman, you have to wait at least for 84 days.
My name is Yasra.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. My name is Chandan Ras and I am here to start a video campaign on blood donation. You must be thinking, why this blood donation camp? Why this campaign? We know about it. But guys, we are here to put a problem and solve the issue. What is the issue? You are well familiar about it, the issue. Whenever you needed blood in those serious events, you faced a problem, right? Well, this video campaign is all about that. We need to spread the awareness of blood donation in our society so that no one faces this problem. Well, we'll start with the basic level. What is blood donation? Blood donation is one of the most soulful acts we can do towards uniting our society in a healthier way. By donating blood, you will feel very positive and motivated that you are doing something for your nation. Blood donation is a very kind act, like you can save someone's life. You know how important it is. So now we will come to the next part. Who is blood donor? Blood donor is every person who is above the age of 18 and he must be free from some communicable disease. And there is a list. You can go and browse on the internet, and you can also consult your doctors also. You must be thinking, if it is that easy, I have only to become 18 plus and free from disease, physically fit, I can donate blood. Then what is the problem, guys? This is actually a world level problem. Around I don't have the numbers, but many people die because of blood shortage. Isn't this a bad news? And we need to work something on it. Yes, guys. To make our country more prominent, to make our country more successful, we need to first make our country healthier. And this is a step we can do to make these things. And you know what? If you will donate your blood now, then your society will take inspiration from you, and they will also starting donate blood, because not only the receiver gets the benefit. The benefit is also for the donor. You must be thinking, what is the benefit for the donor? Well, there are a lot of benefits. Heart attack chances reduces by 88%. You are free from a number of cancer disease. And the most important thing is mental effect. If you are donating blood now, you will feel very positive. Yes, I have saved someone's life. And this gives a very positive aura. हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि in every body there is a God. So whenever you donate blood, you save others' life. You are serving a God. Isn't this a very big thing? Now coming to the second most important part, blood donor card. If you will donate blood, you will get a blood donor card from the blood bank. And from there, in your immediate necessities, you will get the blood of your own, whether if it is A positive, of the available blood. So, what is this campaign about? You understood, right? So you must be thinking, what is the problem? The problem is the rumors. I will tell you my incident. It's not a month ago. My friend was ill, and I called to my mama and I said, "Mummy, हमको मेरे दोस्त को blood चाहिए, and I'm going to donate it." She said, "नहीं, you will feel weak. तुम खुद कमजोर हो जाओगे, तुम्हें बुखार आ जाएगी." And she I cannot tell you the whole thing. She gave me a long list कि अगर तुम blood donate करोगे तुम्हें ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा. And I said, "Mama, these are rumors. These are not the actual thing. By donating blood, I will it's a lot more benefits to me, and benefit to me is secondary, but I am saving someone's life. I am saving someone's health, and I am creating a positive environment around me. And you know the importance of positive environment. In a positive environment, you will flourish too. So blood donation is a very basic act you can do, and you need to spread the awareness towards the blood donation. Like awareness is very important thing, because if you will, even now if you will go in villages, they will say that blood donation, no, this is not for me. Why? Because still the rumors are in their mind. So go outside your home, spread the awareness, make the society very very clear about the blood donation is very important. And yes, blood donate and save lives. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. So today's topic is about importance of blood donation. So yeah, let's get started. So first topic here we get is what is blood donation. So blood donation mean when you donate or give blood for free to any person who is in need of it. Okay, it is known as blood donations. If someone needed it and you gave it, then it is also blood donation. And if you had gone to a government organization to donate blood on a regular basis of 3 months or some months, it is also known as blood donation. Okay, so who can donate blood? So any person, male or female, can donate blood, okay, between the age of 18 to 65. Okay, because many small teenagers, or you can say below the age of 18, they need that blood. Okay, because they are at their growing age. So if there will be less blood in their body, then there will be not proper growth of their body. And if old age people, so old age people are having less blood in their body. Okay, because their body is slowly stopping. Okay, so they need that blood. There should be blood in their body so that they can survive. Now, blood groups. So there are different blood groups. Okay, everyone has different blood groups. A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive, A negative, B negative, AB negative, 0 negative. So for example, mine is B positive. Okay, so every person can have different blood groups. Okay, in a family also everyone can have different blood groups. Okay, it is not genetic, or it comes from your father or mother. It is yours own. Okay, there can be that the mother is B positive and the father is A positive and the child is AB negative or O negative. Okay, it can happen. So every person has different blood groups, and there are rare blood groups also. O negative is a rare blood group. AB negative also a rare blood group. Okay, they the person having this blood groups are not very in population. Okay, so it is not good, as if there is any emergency case for AB negative or O negative blood group, then the person suffering will take more time to find that blood group. Okay, so when there is an emergency case and blood is needed very immediately, then there can be a serious situation. So in that case, it is dangerous. Now blood bank. So what is blood bank? So blood bank is a you can say not bank, a place where blood is stored for the use. Okay, in the hospitals there are blood banks. If any person is in need of it, they provide blood for them. Okay, so they actually store the blood for the need of the people. Okay, so that they can use it afterwards. So blood bank is a place where the blood is stored for the future use or for the needy person who is in need of it. Now rumors. So what are the rumors related to blood donation? So the rumors are like many people think that donating blood will make you feel dizziness, or it will like make you weak. But it's not like that. When blood is taken out from your body within 1 to 2 days, that blood is again made by the body with the help of the water present in our body. It is again replenished. So many people think that it makes you weak, but it is not like that. Okay, again that blood is made within 1 to 2 days. Okay. Now benefits. So what are the benefits of blood donation? So if you donate blood, so the needy person who need the blood can get it without any suffering, or without any like they have to run here and there for the blood. If the blood is there present in the hospital or the blood bank, then the person who is in need of it will get it, and their lives will be like secured. Okay, you can say that if you donate blood within 3 months, okay, so you are saving life, you can say. You are saving if you are donating one time, you are you can say you are saving one life, you can say. So it is a very good thing that you are saving lives. It is a very big thing. Now blood donor card. So what is blood donor card? It is like how often, how much you had donated blood. It is a card there which shows that this much blood you had donated, this much at this much duration you had donated. So it is a card that contains the information about the blood donation. Okay. How can we increase blood donors? So we should also ensure that we are encouraging our family members or friends for donating blood. As if we will encourage, if you encourage only one person in your family, then from each family there will be one person. Then you can think that there will be many blood donors. Okay, so we should encourage our family members and friends for the donation of blood. Okay, it is very important to provide blood to our needy peoples. Now minimum time between two donations. So there should be minimum time of 12 weeks, you can say. Like if you will like you are donating blood every month, then obviously there will be like less blood in your body. Means like it will weaken you, because it will in 1-2 days it will again make it, but then after like you have continuously given blood donation for 5 months, so there can be a chance that there is a less amount of hemoglobin in your blood or less blood in your body.